Capturing the past through historic photography. 1969 Honda CB750, the first superbike. With a 4-cylinder engine, electric start, and disc brakes. 1968 Royal Enfield Interceptor, a powerful British bike, known for its raw performance and timeless look. 1966 BSA Lightning, a British sport bike with impressive power, often featured in media as a symbol of speed. 1962 Honda C100 Super Cub, the best-selling motorcycle in history, famous for its simplicity and durability. 1958 Ariel Square 4, a British motorcycle, with a unique square for engine configuration. 1957 Harley-Davidson Sportster, an iconic American cruiser, known for its versatility and longevity.